Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful stitch to make blankets or other fun projects. For more information, please check out the drop-down description box below or visit my website, jonnamartinez.com. Thanks for watching! Now let's get started. For materials, you will need any yarn you like. For this tutorial, I'm using a worsted weight acrylic yarn. I am also using an H 5.00mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle for weaving in ends. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Now chain as many as you like. After row 1, I will show you how you can back out your chains or just cut them off if you have extra. For this pattern, you're going to burn up a lot of the chain because it's going to end up zigzagging like this. So if you want, I would highly suggest doing a little swatch just so you can see how big your work is versus how long your chain is. So here I have a pretty long chain started, and you're going to see how much shorter it actually is once you get the work started. We're going to begin row 1 with 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from hook. This loop on your hook never counts as a chain. This skipped 3 chain here counts as a double crochet. So now we have 3 double crochet at the beginning of our work. Now we're going to begin a row repeat. Skip 3 chains and single crochet into the 4th chain. Chain 2. Double crochet into your next 3 chains. So 1 double crochet into each chain. So now we're just going to repeat this all the way down our work. Skip 3 chains and into the 4th chain single crochet. Then chain 2 and double crochet 3. So we're going to do that again. Skip 3 chains and single crochet into the 4th chain. Then chain 2 and double crochet 3. Continue in this fashion all the way down your chain. When we get to the end, I will meet back up. Here I am at the end of row 1, and as you see, I have quite a few more chains left. You want to be sure and end on a single crochet. From here, what you can do is take the knot out at the end of your chain here, and just back out your extra chains, or you can grab your scissors and cut it off, and I can show you how to do that now. So you want to be sure that you have a couple extra chains here. So I like to leave 2 chains, and then into that 3rd chain, I just like to cut it off here like this. Then you can pull out the extra string, pull that tail, and there, you've knotted off your work and you can continue. You can see here, because of the zigzagging, that a chain got eaten up quite a bit and it's not so long anymore. Row 2. Row 2, you're going to repeat until your work is of desired size. To begin, chain 3 and turn. Place 2 double crochet into that last single crochet. Now we're going to begin the row repeat. So what you're going to do is be skipping these 3 double crochet here, and all of your stitches are actually going to be going into this chain space here. So when we chain 2 from row 1, that's the space we're going to be working into. So you want to start with a single crochet into that space. Then you're going to chain 2 and place 3 double crochet into that same space. And now we're just going to repeat that. Skip 3 double crochet and single crochet into the chain 2 space. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the chain 2 space. Now just repeat this all the way down our work. When you get to the end of your row, you're just going to single crochet into the top of your very first chain 3 here. Then, of course, to begin row 2 again, you're going to chain 3 and turn. Repeat row 2 until your work is of desired size. I hope you enjoy working on this beautiful and easy blanket. Be sure to let me know in the comments below what you think of this stitch, and also if you think you're going to be making a blanket from it. Thank you so much for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial.